Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 72015 IKB. This process will help improve your laptop's performance, especially if you multitask or run demanding applications. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to remove any external devices connected to your laptop. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. After successfully removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the RAM slots. The Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB typically has 2 slots, and you may find one or both occupied. If you are replacing existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module to release it. If you are adding new RAM, ensure you align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot before firmly pressing it down until the clips sink into place. While you have the back cover off, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal cooling and performance. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Now flip your laptop back over and power it on. You should check if the new RAM is recognized by your system. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here you will see the installed RAM listed. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. If you encounter any issues or if this process seems daunting, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech problems. Plus, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following this guide. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.